Welcome to frugal.photo, and today I'm doing a little bit of an impromptu shoot. I've been doing a little bit of traveling over the last couple of weeks, backpacking up the eastern coast. Since I've had to travel light, I didn't really bring very much equipment that I could use, and so I had to stop and pick up a few useful items for this photo shoot. And this right here is the perfect place for that. I am here with Lynn Allman, who is a very funny comedian. She's asked for some new headshots, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to see if we can find some fun locations that'll bring out a little bit of her personality, and I don't know, what else?
Have some fry bread here on the beach.
Oh yeah, well, and enjoy the ocean, of course.
Absolutely.
A couple of things to keep in mind here. It is very bright out here today, and so we're going to be looking for some shade. We'll probably have to use a reflector to bounce a little bit of light back in to fill in. And so we stopped at a dollar store to get the equipment that I needed. Spent all of, I think, $5, and that wasn't just camera equipment or photo equipment. In fact, none of it was strictly photo equipment, but it's stuff that can be used in a pinch and is very cheap. Oh, look at that. These clips so that we can pull the shirt around and make them a little bit more form-fitting. Now you see, the secret of photography is that you only see what's in front, and so you can do whatever you need to behind the scenes.
What do you think of that? Look at it and see in the front.
Much better. We are done with our shoot. It was a short one, but I think we got some pretty good stuff. There's a couple of things that there's a couple of things that I want to point out to you. Lynn is a gorgeous woman, but she is wearing glasses. If you'll turn around, I want to show you a couple of things to watch out for, especially if you're in the light. First of all is reflections, but if you can see,
The dark line across my eyeballs.
We've got war paint across her cheeks right there from the glasses. And if you push them all the way up, that does help a little bit. The other thing that you want to watch for is that there isn't the sun's pretty high, but you want to make sure that there isn't a shadow of the top of the glasses through the eyes. And so that's something you have to be careful with, especially in this bright lighting. You don't want that war paint across the cheeks, because that just looks bad. And that's just a basic lighting thing, but something specific to glasses if you don't shoot people wearing glasses a whole lot. Now we're going to head over to the ocean, over to the beach, and play in the surf a little bit. Look at that. do here. Please subscribe and share, as well as feel free to comment in the comments below. Also, I am including a link to my Patreon account. If you would like to subscribe to that, that would be very helpful for me and help me to buy more equipment that I can review for you. And so that is it until next time.